One of the major software security threats are end of life software. End of life means that the vendor of that software has decided the software in question has reached the end of its useful lifespan. After this particular date, the manufacturer no longer markets, sells, provides technical support, sustains, enhances, or fixes the product. Well, end of life and end of support are more often the same thing, but there are some exceptions where some of the vendors provide enhanced or extended support, such as Oracle for their databases, but still, um, it is always a good idea that when a software reaches its end of life, we should also treat it as end of support. And EOL software or end of life software is a security risk because it is no longer supported and it is no longer being maintained and receiving security updates. One of my favorite tool to determine if, especially in terms of containers images, that if a container images is using any of in any of its layer the end of life software, I use YOL. I have done another video which you can see on your top right, and I will also post the link to that video where I have um, demonstrated how to install and use this YOL. But regardless of this tool, if you are using any end of life software, I would highly encourage you to upgrade it. Thank you very much.